Hey, y'all. How y'all doing today? It's Nicole from Divine Creations. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful Tuesday. Um, just an FYI, did not go to the Dollar General penny sale, even though I'm sitting here like I should just go. But I have so much inventory, you guys. I just got to get rid of what I have. And so there'll be another penny sale. And those same items will be on sale or similar. So next time is for me. But those of you that scored for the Dollar General penny today, that was your blessing. And I hope y'all do some dynamic things with those gifts and make your money work for you, okay? Or make your penny work for you, okay? Um, I'm on here just to do a quick video. I was watching Rachel's live and I'm like, okay, I can't keep sitting here watching. I got to get busy. So I'm going to be doing a baby shark basket, and I'm going to quickly go through the items that I have. So I have this Easter basket here, which these have these little slip knots that I'm trying to figure out how to pull them back in. But if not, we'll learn to tuck them, honey. Yeah. Or we'll hot glue them back down. That's what we're going to do. I got to get my hot glue gun. But anyways, so we have this basket that we're going to use. And this basket was, wait 1 second, originally $5.97. Okay, and then we're going to do the Baby Shark, Pink Funk Baby Shark musical tub tunes. So this is great for the bathtub for the kids, and they're making all kinds of music. And it has a 2 drumsticks, 3 musical notes, and body wash in here. Okay, so we're going to use that. We're going to do some bubbles. We have some Pink Funk Baby Shark stickers. We have a bath bomb to go with the bath set. We have some outdoor chalk. We have a Baby Shark coloring book. And some jumbo crayons. As well as a little tumbler. Alright, so let's get to building. Okay, so what we have here is some grass. I'm just going to put some grass in here. That should be enough. I don't know where this black come from. Okay, and we're going to do the double-sided gift basket. So we're going to put the P-Funk Baby Shark Bath Time right here. And give me 1 moment so I can tape the sides. I went ahead and got me one of them heavy-duty, heavy-duty tape dispensers, y'all. Ooh, my heat's cutting on. Thank you. That's why I'm in my robe. I gotta stay warm down here, y'all. Okay, so we got it all taped to the handle of the basket. And we're going to put our coloring book in the back. I love that I can do this tape one-handed, y'all. Y'all just don't understand how much time this is saving me from wrestling with pulling on tape and trying to do things one-handed. Okay, so there we go. We have the bubbles right here on the side. One more piece just to secure it. Okay, so what we have next. So mind you, we do have to put snacks in here. It's either this gonna go in front or trying to figure it out, y'all. That might go like that. We'll see. And we have a tumbler. Here is our snacks that we're going to use. We have some Lay's chips. And because we're dealing with sharks, we thought we would put some fishies in there. We have our juice, fruit snack, and some suckers. Mind you, we still have our crayons and our chalk to put in here. So we will see how this goes. Let's do our chips. I think the tumbler's going to stay there. So let's make sure that we got this held down. Right around the bottom of the neck, or the neck of the bottle anyways. And a little juice. And maybe the fishies in the front. We'll see. We have our crayons and our chalk. We have our suckers that we're just going to throw in here on the side. And we're just going to take them down. Okay. We also have our Rice Krispie treat. This is definitely packed, you guys. So let's take the other side. I'm going to put the fishies. Stickers, and then our bath bomb. there we go. Here is our completed basket for Baby Shark. Thank you guys. Bye.